Okay, today we're going to be talking about finding the area of a circle. So this is kind of a review from last year. But basically, to find the area of a circle, you need the formula area is equal to pi r squared. So for pi, we're going to use 3.14. R is the radius of a circle. A radius is a line that goes from the center of your circle to the edge of your circle. Okay, that's a radius. Okay, if I'm given the diameter, to find the radius, I would take the diameter divided by 2. Okay, a diameter is a line that goes from one edge of your circle to the other, passing through the center. So basically it cuts your circle in half. And the diameter, if I'm given the radius, I want to find the diameter would be 2 times the radius. Okay, an example of finding the area. Let's say I have a radius that's 4 meters long on a circle. Okay, so radius is the only piece of information I need to find the area. So I just plug it in my formula. So area is going to equal pi times 4 squared. Now order operations, I do the squaring before I do the multiplying. So I do 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. So I have 16 times pi. Then I times it by 3.14. So 16 times 3.14 is going to be 50.24 meters cubed. Okay, so again, this is area, so we cube everything when we find in the area. And that would be our answer right there. Okay? Not too tough, right? So then let's look at another example. Let's say I have a circle here. Well, that's more of a oval, but whatever. It's a circle. Just pretend. It's magic. Okay. So I have a circle here, and let's say I know this area of that circle is, let's do 120. Okay, and I want to find the radius. Find radius. Okay, so I'm going to find the radius given the area. So I know the area. What I don't know is the radius, but I know what pi is and everything. So what I do is I plug in what I know. So I know the area is 120. So I'm going to replace the area with 120, and that's going to equal pi r squared. So now I want to solve for radius, right? So I want to get the radius all by itself. So to do that, I need to get rid of this pi. So pi is multiplying with the radius, so to undo it, I would divide. If I divide that side by pi, I have to divide this side by pi. So I'm going to take 120 divided by 3.14, and that gives me 38.216 blah, blah, blah. So 38.2, and I'm going to round up to the nearest hundredth, so 38.22 is equal to radius squared. So then I still haven't quite found the radius, right? Because this is radius squared, so I have to undo the square. So to undo the square, I have to square root, just like the Pythagorean theorem. I got to undo the squares. So I square root both sides. So I take the square root of 38.22, and it's going to give me 6.1822. I'm going to round that to 6.18. So my radius is approximately 6.18. That's an 8. Okay, and that's basically how you find the area and how you go backwards with the area of a circle.